what's up guys, Justin Bigere, big fan of social media. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. So today, love versus money. Two fundamental aspects of life that often find themselves pitted against each other. Which one is more important? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like the video if you find it helpful, comment down below if you have any comments, and without wasting time, let's get into the video. Love, a profound emotion that binds individuals together, is often seen as the epitome of happiness and fulfillment. It encompasses compassion, understanding, and a deep connection between people. On the other hand, money is a tangible resource that enables individuals to meet their material needs and desires. It provides security, comfort, and the ability to lead a comfortable lifestyle. While both money and love hold significant value in our lives, they are distinct in their nature and the role they play. Love is a powerful source that can withstand the test of time and adversity, providing individuals with a sense of purpose and fulfillment that money alone cannot offer. Love in its purest form transcends material possession and focuses on emotional well-being. It is the foundation of relationships, fostering trust, support, and companionship. On the other hand, money plays a crucial role in our lives, providing us with the opportunities, providing us with the means to meet our basic needs and pursue our aspirations. Money can also provide opportunities for self-improvement, personal growth, enabling individuals to explore their passions and achieve their dreams. However, it is important to recognize that money alone cannot guarantee happiness or love. While it can provide temporary satisfaction and comfort, the pursuit of wealth should not overshadow the importance of nurturing a meaningful relationship and finding fulfillment in non-material aspects of life. And what I would say, love and money are two distinct yet interconnected aspects of life. Love brings emotional fulfillment, while money provides material security. Both are important in their own ways, but it is crucial to strike a balance between the two and prioritize the cultivation of meaningful relationships and well-being over the relentless pursuit of wealth. I'm still an amateur on love and money, educating myself every day, getting as much experience as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly like the video. If you have any comment down below of what you think on love versus money, and I'll see you in the next video.